Today we're going to assemble a toilet paper holder. First, screw all the long screws into the wooden board. A total of 32 screws. Step 2. Begin assembling the cabinet. Install the hinges horizontally on the cabinet door. After attaching the handle, align the door with the edge of the cabinet and secure the hinges in the correct position. Note that I'm referring to the first screw on the hinge. Tightening it allows you to adjust the door gap so that the cabinet door opens and closes smoothly. Close the side panel and secure it with the round latch, then tighten it. Assemble the other half of the cabinet and use long screws to secure the top and bottom sections together. Assemble the cabinet and secure it with round clips to complete the installation.